Yep, hi all. So this week's project is just to sort of give this AA Sinclair C5 a service and fix the electrics. So as you can see, there's things like this, you know, like this handbrake mechanism here is not working properly at all. You know, I don't know if maybe the spring inside is possibly knackered or gone. Certainly at least needs a clean up and sort of lubrication, but something's not quite right inside there. And obviously the nuts hadn't been off for yonk, so little technique here to grip it so you can remove the nuts and bolt, and I'll probably put a new one in there, I expect. So that's that. Electronics are off. This one has got a ULA chip fault, so you'll see it in the other videos I'm adding on. Basically I'm using the Jeff Wells conversion kit to replace the ULA. Also soldering a new pin set on there, because the solder's crap on the pins, and also the pins are in fairly bad condition. So else will probably be fine. You know what, sticking new pins whilst we're at it. This is definitely the key thing. This does work, but again it's very sort of intermittent and it's really corroded, and you can see how, you probably can't see on this video, but it's extremely corroded and sort of green on here, so the inside of it's going to be the same. So yep, I've got a new one to put on. I'm going to see what else is out there before I go to the effort of soldering that one on. But yeah, that's going to be replaced as well. So obviously they're going to look at the rear brakes. The rear brakes doesn't seem to be very good either. Might have oil or grease on it, but take it off, clean it up, maybe clean the leading edge up on the brakes, and put a new, so grease the bearings. And that's one thing I've just noticed as well. Let me just flip the wheel around. That's interesting. That's got that cut off. Weird, but odd one. Good tyres on this, so that's cool. And I say obviously the control box is off, because when you do the Jeff Wells mod, you need to cut. It's all online, but you need to cut a wire, put in a new resistor, and do something else. So there's a few things to do with that. So that's off to have a look at as well. And then I'll just check the rest of it out. You know, find out 5 things that this is off. You know, have a look at double check the chain, that sort of stuff. You know, see if make sure it's relatively clean and oiled up. This is an early C5, so it's a November '84, number 979, so very first month of production. And as it used to have indicators on at one point. In here we have spare loom in case I need the red socket. This one has a good red socket, but ideally I'll find a brand new socket to sort of save using this one. I've got all the screws off, new LED flashy bulb, strobe bulb for the front. There's the rest of the components in there I've taken off. So that's good. Handlebar cover. Bit of damage there. The owner's going to get sorted. There we are. It's a very nice looking C5. Just needs some electrical things sorted. And I say just check over the brakes. I'll also look at the front wheel bearing as well, and see if that needs doing. Or I mean, if it looks fine, obviously I'll leave it. But if it does look, you know, a little bit old, I'll do that as well. Cool, nice.